Video, I'm going to teach you how to fix the missing component error in QuickBooks Desktop quickly and accurately. This message usually appears when a small part of the program isn't loading correctly, often due to a minor glitch, an interrupted update, or a damaged installation file. The good news is, you can usually resolve it in just a few minutes by following a simple repair and update routine. Start by closing QuickBooks completely. If the program looks closed but you're not sure, check the system tray near your clock and exit anything related to QuickBooks. This prevents files from being locked while we make changes. Next, open Task Manager to make sure no QuickBooks processes are still running. Press Ctrl+Shift+ES key to launch Task Manager. If you see a compact view, click More Details. On the Processes tab, look for anything with QuickBooks in the name and select End Task to close it. This step helps ensure the repair can run cleanly. Be careful to end only QuickBooks-related items. Now, repair your QuickBooks installation. Open the Control Panel, go to Programs and Features, find QuickBooks Desktop in the list, and select Uninstall Change. When the installer opens, choose Repair. Follow the on-screen prompts. The repair keeps your company data and settings intact. It simply refreshes the program files. Depending on your system, this may take a few minutes, and you might be asked for administrator permission. When the repair completes, restart your PC. Restarting clears anything held in memory and finalizes the repair. After your computer comes back up, it's time to update QuickBooks. Open QuickBooks, then go to Help, choose Update QuickBooks. Desktop, open the Update Now tab, and click Get Updates. Allow the updates to fully download and install. Updates often include fixes for component-related issues and improve compatibility with Windows services, so this is an important step. When the updates finish, restart QuickBooks to apply the changes. If prompted, allow any remaining update steps to run before opening your company file. At this point, try the task that previously triggered the error. In most cases, the message won't appear anymore because the repaired files and the latest patches have restored the missing pieces. If updates seem to stall, give it a little time and make sure you have a stable internet connection. Also, keeping your Windows updates current can help QuickBooks run smoothly. Your missing component issue should now be fixed. Keeping QuickBooks updated helps prevent this error. Thanks for watching, and if this helped, consider sharing it with someone who might be running into the same problem.